From kitchen scraps to garden bounty, we grew eggplants using their own seeds. Let's see how it's done. First, scoop out the seeds and place them on a paper towel or moist tissue. Soak them in clean water for 6 hours, then drain and lay them on nutrient-rich soil. Mist the surface gently to keep the soil damp. And now, we wait for them to sprout. While we wait, let's build a simple greenhouse. Grab a foam box, cut drainage holes at the bottom, and fill it with homemade compost. Use sticks or bamboo poles to build a frame, then drape plastic over it and secure with a stapler, and voila! You've got a mini greenhouse. Cover the soil with woven fabric to lock in warmth and block weeds. Cut slits so we can transplant the seedlings later. In about 2 weeks, the seeds will grow into tiny seedlings. Now's the time to transplant them into your greenhouse setup. Remember, not every seed will make it, so sow generously to raise your odds. Water with rice, rinse water if you can. It's packed with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. 10 days later, you'll spot fresh new growth. Water every other day to keep those roots healthy. At 30 days, the seedlings will be bigger. Switch to the when dry, water deeply method. Trim off lower leaves to help the plant focus its energy. Want an extra boost? Bury a dead fish near the roots, optional. And water again. No standing water, please. Around day 70, you'll spot baby eggplants forming. And a little later, they'll be ready to harvest. If you made it this far, thank you. Give us a like and a follow so you don't lose this guide later. All that effort has paid off. Look at those full, healthy eggplants. Now, just harvest and enjoy. This method is simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for patios and balconies. You'll not only eat better, but enjoy the magic of growing your own food. Check our channel for more planting secrets. Follow us to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!